Today, I'll show you how to add a countdown timer in hosting a website builder using a simple embed code. By the end of this video, you'll have a live functioning timer on your page that you can use for launches, sales, events, or any kind of deadline you want to highlight. First, you'll need to create the countdown timer itself. For this, we'll use an external countdown generator called Logwork. Open your browser and go to the Logwork website. There, you'll see options to create a new countdown. Set up the details you need, choose the date and time when your countdown should end, set the time zone if that's available, and customize the appearance so it matches your website's style as closely as possible. Most tools like this let you choose colors, fonts, and sometimes size or layout, so take a moment to make it look the way you want. Once you're happy with your countdown settings, look for an option to generate or create the countdown. After it's created, you should see an embed option or something labeled as embed on your website. Click that. This will provide you with a block of code, often called an embed code or HTML code. Carefully select and copy that entire code snippet. This code is what will allow your hosting a site to display the countdown you just designed. Now, let's move over to your hosting a website builder. Log into your Hostinger account if you haven't already, and open the website where you want the countdown timer to appear. Once you're in the website builder editor, you'll see your page layout and a toolbar on the left-hand side. In that left-hand toolbar, look for the plus icon labeled Add Element. Click on this plus button. A panel will open with different types of elements you can add to your page, such as text, images, buttons, and more. Scroll through the options until you find the element called Embed Code. This is the element that lets you place custom code like the countdown script you copied from Logwork. Click and drag the embed code element onto your page, drop it exactly where you want the countdown timer to appear. You can place it in a section between other elements or in a dedicated area just for the timer. Don't worry too much about perfect placement yet, you can always adjust its position later. Once the embed code element is on the page, click on it to open its settings. You should see an option that says Enter Code. Click that. A window or field will appear where you can paste your code. Paste the embed code you copied earlier from Logwork into this field. Make sure you include the whole code snippet without changing anything, as even a small change could break the timer. After pasting, look for a button that says Embed Code or Apply and click it. The builder will process the code and display a preview of your countdown timer right on the page. If it doesn't appear immediately, try saving and refreshing the preview of your site. At this point, adjust the size or position of the embed code element so it fits nicely with the rest of your design. When you're satisfied, save your changes and publish your site. Your countdown timer is now live on your Hostinger website, counting down to your chosen date and time.